Fresh delay. Our project comes under the first sub-theme, Advancement of Information and Technology. So our project, it is a game we created using Python. It is made up of two games. One is our version of the Pong game, and the other one is something we created without any particular reference. We call it Catch.
The purpose behind making this game is that so in our Tibetan community, we don't have any shortcomings in cultural dance and Tibetan songs and even Tibetan movies out there. So it's very hard to come across any Tibetan game. So we decided to make a Tibetan game using Python with some Tibetan theme in it. Okay, then let's move to the screen.
So let me first show you the game. So here it is. We can select between languages.
Now there are two games in this two sub games in this or mini ball game. So the first one name is Pong. So this Pong game is a very popular game since 19th, and this catch is something that we made up.
So here we can summon balls, as you can see, and well, the ball down there will catch all the balls. So right now it hasn't much nothing to do. And also this collision, we implemented collision, and to do so we used vector concepts. And okay.
Now another game Pong. So this one is a complete game we have made. So there are choices. If you want to play against bot, then this one is the choice, and if there are two players, then this can be. So right now I'll go with the bot. So there are two levels in the bot. One is impossible, which really is impossible. So like the name says, so I'll go with the easy mode. So easy mode is very easy. I can win with the slightest. So but right now I'll just show how this really works. See, easy mode is very easy. So right now I'll just leave it be.
3,000 words and not a single word is fair.
So now that we have lost, so we can go back or replay the game.
So this is the main file, and you see here we first import pygame, and this is the module we are using, and these all our other files we have here. And setting, we have all the settings like you can see here, bottom screen with screen height. So in this main class there is a variable self.game which stores the game function of right now the game is start, and in the main loop we call the game function, store the output in game in this variable, and we check the output. If there is output, then yeah, we check what it is, and accordingly we change the game. You see here, if the game is ping pong, which is the one of the game, and it will change to the pong game, and if it's polo song, and we change it to catch, and like so this end and menu. So this is how we can change between the screens, like from end screen to menu screen to other games. So this is the file, the Pong game file, which controls the Pong game. You know, as you there is event which we check the event, and this is collision which we use to check collision between the ball and the player. And here we also have labeled it ball and this we check collision with left and right, and if it's collide with left or either right, we change score. This is the game, and this is what exit game, like this is the when score limit is reached, we exit the game with this code. You see it returns end. So then we have this option. This is the option selection. If cell.begin means this variable which cell is when first it is false. So when after selecting after finishing selection all the selection, then this becomes true, and we run the game. These are all for the selection of this bot, and whatever we are choosing bot, either we are choosing bot or impossible bot, or playing with players we can choose. So in this Pong player by whatever, so this in this file we have the player and opponent class for the Pong game, and the player game, it is the first player, and it is controlled by the player, and opponent, it can be either a player or a bot. We do it according to this is self.bot variable, and if it's true, then it is the opponent becomes a bot, and else it becomes a player. And we check here, you see there's bot input. If it's bot, then this input is called, and if it's player, then not. If it's player, then we take this input, and this for both these two inputs, you see bot input and bot I input, I am, which stands for impossible, both are input means it impossible. There's three levels for both. One is normal and one is impossible, and this is control. If we select normal, and then this is run, and if we select impossible, this is run. And in this we see we simply change the direction, which depending on the ball's position we change the direction, and then this position is updated in this. You see accelerator is updated here. And if it is impossible board, then we run a simulation of the ball here, and get the position of the ball when it's here, and the at this line, and we get this position and we move the ball to that position with this import.